Okay, so I know I've done a video on this in the past, but we don't have to do another one. So almost every Peugeot vehicle I know has a manual lock on the doors. Depending on the model, it could be on the two front doors or only on one of the doors. So in as much as these newer vehicle Peugeot cars, they all come with remote control. But then you can't really rely on them. So meaning that this is always another option of you to, to gain access into the vehicle in case the electronic access fails. So but then if you don't use the manual lock over time, it won't work anymore. So it means once in a while you should be using that. And what I mean is you could dedicate say every maybe once in a month, once in every 30 days, once in every 2 weeks, you use your manual lock the whole of that day to access into your vehicle, or to lock your vehicle, or to unlock the vehicle in order to keep it working whenever there's a need for that. What I mean is this. So you do it like this, so that anytime, not when you need it, you can easily access it. For example, this is this is a lock. This is locked. So as it is, do it like this to unlock again. Same thing, let's try the other side. Do this all the time, otherwise you'll be having problem. Like I said, you have to make out once in a while. Can see it's locked. So there's a reason for that. There's a reason for this. So you might not understand that until when your remote control, for whatever reason, maybe will stop working, and then you won't be able to get into your vehicle. So, and then you'll be stranded. I will now start looking for a way to break into the vehicle so I can unlock the doors, which for me is unnecessary. If you have your manual lock, you could say, I won't call it servicing it. All you need is once in a while use it. If you do that, then you won't have a problem. Use it. Again, that's what I do. I could tell you maybe once in a month, I could decide, you know what, I'm going to use, just take out one day in the month and use only the manual lock to access or lock the vehicle or unlock the vehicle. The whole of that day, and once I'm done, subsequently I'll be using the remote control. This is what the remote control was, but then but what usually happens is over time, like I said, if you don't use it, this thing will not be able to work anymore. After you put it, it will just stay, it won't move. If you be doing like this, it won't make any move. It doesn't mean you won't be able to use it anymore, but you now need a key technician that will have to remove the lock mechanism, then service it, put it back, then it will start working again. So other things you could be doing to keep it working is once in a while you use WD-40, put it inside here, then spray it inside. Use WD-40. It helps to keep it lubricated so it doesn't seize. Okay, so I hope this makes sense. I know a lot of people do suffer from this out of ignorance, but I've made a post on this, and I believe I've done a video on this, but now I'm doing it again. So hope that solve the problem for a lot of people who have been asking questions. How do I prevent this from locking up or being stranded, uh, you know, outside your house when you drive to a place and for some reason your remote control refuses to work, and sometimes you probably may not be able to get access to someone that can help you to get into, open the door. It now means you have to sacrifice one of the windows to break it before you can get inside to open the door. So, like I said, every project car, they all have this. If yours is not working right now, if your manual lock it's not working, have it fixed. Like I said, you don't need to change it. All you need is call the key technician, they will remove it, service it, put it back. It will still work with your key, as long as the key blade is the right one for the door lock, that you don't change any of the two. All right.